The Turks and Caicos Ramsar site. Textured with a vivid array of coastal features such as mangrove forests, seagrass beds, salinas, blue holes, pine forests, and much more. These coastal and interior wetlands provide habitats that sustain many local and migratory species. The TCI Ramsar site spreads across the 3 islands of North, Middle, and East Caicos, which encapsulates over 58,000 hectares of the country's rich and diverse environments. These and the surrounding ecosystems provide numerous benefits to the country, such as storm mitigation and wave dissipation, carbon sequestration and storage, and water transport to underground caves and aquifers. These islands also receive most of the country's annual rainfall, making them prime land for local agriculture. The residents of the islands are the most important stakeholders, as the wetlands are a source of their food, shelter, and culture. However, as more persons migrate to the islands, infrastructure encroaches closer to the sanctuaries, fragmenting the forests and waterways. And destructive practices have arisen, where corruption and dumping exploit the land. Climate change is also affecting the capacity of the wetlands. Drought periods are lasting longer, leaving salinas dry and impacting shorebird habitats. Sea level rise and ocean currents are leading to the inundation of shorelines with invasive species such as sargassum. Infrequencies in rainfall and increasing temperatures can lead to complications for native and endemic flora. Scientific research is needed for the Ramsar site. Expedition teams venture into the wetlands, braving the elements. However, many of the routes are dense and hard to pass through, and others are impossible to get to with vehicles, leaving the teams to walk great distances. The observations and information gathered helps with ground truthing, which will be used to confirm with satellite imagery and advise projection modeling. Workshops and trainings are used to build local technical capacities and field research. And outreach activities are used to bring awareness to locals and visitors. More research is needed to ensure the protection, conservation, and preservation of the natural beauty in the Turks and Caicos Ramsar site.